Alright, Insidious Chapter 3. This is the Blu-ray that I got today. Here's the back of it. Alright. Well, here, the slip-on cover. Here I think is kind of nice. And here, the Blu-ray itself. Still in its package. So there it's shiny. Now we're gonna take the wrapping off. Now this is a prequel to the Insidious movies, to Insidious Chapter 1 and Chapter 2. Here's the Blu-ray. Here's the wrapping that I just took off. Here, and here's the Blu-ray itself. Here, a good view all around. Now here. Alright. Showing some other movies. 22 Jump Street, The Amazing Spider-Man 2, and Deliver Us from Evil. Here. Alright. Now here's the disc. Well, here, as it is on the front cover. Now this movie, it's rated PG-13. So right there you see. And yep. I would recommend this movie on Blu-ray. Now, I saw this movie in theaters, and I think it's a good movie. Usually when it comes to the third movie in the franchise, usually it's like you don't really care. But, I enjoyed the other two Insidious movies, so, yep. So, really looking forward to watching it again, and yep, so, there. It is, front cover, if you see this at the store. And yep, so now that's going to be it. So please subscribe, share this video, and like it. So yep, that's it. Bye.